Introducing a revolutionary device that simplifies door removal with utmost convenience and safety. Bid farewell to unwanted scratches and flaws when preparing for repairs. The standard model effortlessly handles weights up to 120 kilograms, while the advanced model boasts a remarkable capacity of 200 kilograms. But wait, there's more. These versatile tools excel in aiding with cabinets, containers, and other hefty items. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, even repair novices can master its seamless operation using the convenient foot pedal. Crafted from durable nickel-plated metal, this indispensable tool comes at a steal, priced at either $37 or $75, depending on the model. Get ready to experience precision like never before. Introducing the extraordinary French torque wrench, now enhanced with an LCD display, buzzer, and vibrant LEDs. Say goodbye to guesswork as this remarkable tool allows seamless monitoring of tightening operations. With the 307 model, you have a wide torque range of 10 to 340 Nm and the ability to preset 9 different torque values. Store up to 250 torque values from your jobs with its generous memory. With just one button, control is simplified, saving you precious time. Enjoy the accuracy of plus or minus 2%, thanks to the built-in gyroscope that adds convenience to your work. Upgrade your toolkit effortlessly with the uniform interface across all models. Experience this unparalleled precision and functionality, all for the attractive price of $428. Introducing a versatile and powerful tool designed for professionals in various fields. From locksmiths to tilers, restorers to welders, this compact solution packs a punch. It effortlessly handles concrete, tile, metal, stone, and wood with its kilowatt of power and impressive speed of up to 19,500 RPM. Weighing just 2.4 kilograms, it's lightweight and maneuverable, reaching even the most challenging areas. The tool features a nozzle for connecting a vacuum cleaner hose, keeping your workspace clean. The kit includes diamond discs, 54 mm, and grinding discs, 50 mm, in multiple grits, 80, 180, 320, neatly organized in a practical bag. Get this versatile tool for only $379. Introducing the TurboFlow Jet, the ultimate solution for concrete maintenance and repair. Unleash the power of this cutting-edge rotor jet, revolutionizing concrete tasks. Its versatility effortlessly handles roughening surfaces, degreasing, scraping, rubber removal, and de-dusting. Operating flawlessly at high pressures of up to 3,200 bar, the TurboFlow Jet offers versions with up to 10 nozzles and water flow rates of 60 liters per minute. Controlling speed is a breeze with its user-friendly sliding mechanism. Weighing approximately 1 kilogram, it reduces vibrations and features patented sealing technology. Intrigued? Inquire about the TurboFlow Jet's capabilities and pricing. Upgrade your concrete maintenance game with precision and efficiency today. Professionals in need of reliable sprayers can turn to versatile options like these. Designed for a wide range of tasks, including paint application, enamel coating, and impregnation, these sprayers excel in both horizontal and vertical work. You can effortlessly create textured popcorn ceilings or tackle other projects with ease. With a tank capacity of approximately 4 liters and a spray speed of up to 0.7 liters per minute, these sprayers provide efficient coverage. The built-in turbine eliminates the need for an extra compressor, while the lock-and-go technology simplifies assembly, disassembly, and cleaning. Equipped with 3 nozzles and 3 spray modes, this sprayer offers remarkable versatility for handling larger volumes in various tasks. Best of all, it comes at an affordable price of just $112. Introducing the PowerPole Grounding Wire Stapler, a specialized tool that takes precision to a whole new level. Crafted for power line poles, this aluminum and steel marble effortlessly installs 5 by 2.5 cm staples, holding up to 40 at once. Weighing just 2 kilograms, it's a lightweight powerhouse that ensures staple drops and punctured gloves are a thing of the past. With a built-in ruler for consistent staple distances and a convenient D-ring for storage, it's a staple of convenience. But that's not all. The Smart Stop mechanism prevents overdriving, eliminating rework. Remember, quality comes at a price, $150 for the stapler itself, plus $172 for a pack of 480 staples. Introducing a must-have accessory for cable professionals, the ultimate cable cutting solution. These remarkable scissors are expertly crafted to effortlessly slice through copper and aluminum cables up to 54 mm in outer diameter. With their ingenious ratchet mechanism, these scissors reduce cutting force, minimizing the risk of any potential damage. Measuring 31 centimeters in length and weighing a mere 800 grams, they offer unrivaled convenience and portability. Please note, however, that these scissors are not suitable for steel cables. Elevate your toolkit with this top-tier, professional-grade instrument, available at an exclusive price of $236. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.